Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing in today's video is going through the product that's selling right now on eBay. This strategy will help you to find good products. So I am sure that you are definitely going to value out of this video. Before we don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Make sure you watch the whole video. I'm definitely going to learn a lot of terms of what you need to look out. Let's get right into the video. I am going to show you a product that's selling right now on eBay. In terms of finding this product that's selling really well on eBay, I'm gonna go through my 3 steps. So the first thing that I do is go over to eBay. Second thing I do is go over to Teraback. I use Teraback to check the sales through rate, and then the third thing I do is go over to Alibaba to make sure that the product is available for us to import. I want you to know that eBay has added a new feature onto Teraback that will help you to grow on eBay. This feature used to be available and it's a very useful method of checking if a product is doing well. So I'm going to explain that in a bit more detail. This product right now on eBay, you are most likely going to have success with, but it's depending on how you market it. So let's jump into the video. So the product that we are going to look at is a digital food thermometer. It's going to be easy for a lot of beginners that want to get started on eBay. I picked this one here. It's fairly cheap and it's easy to start with. As you can see here, 179 sold. And I want to say something. I wouldn't necessarily recommend anyone that's established on eBay to start selling this product because it's cheap item, but there is not going to be that much profit in here. So what you need to do here, you are going to click on here to know the last transactions. So from this one product, Allah, I think he made over $300 in the last 30 days, and there is some fees and some post-age fees and stuff like that. And I think some people are buying too. So this product is a product that's definitely selling well right now on eBay. What I'm gonna do now is to see if the product is doing well in terms of the sales rate. Now we go to Teraback and after that I'm gonna go over to Alibaba and see if it's a product that we can even import. So now we need to go over to Teraback. It shows you the selling through rate for any product on eBay. Now we need to go to Teraback and search for any particular product that you want. Now we need to type digital food thermometer and you need to click on research at the top right here, and you need an eBay selling account to access this data. I'm already typed in all the information right here. So the product that we just looked at is digital food thermometer. So now I have typed in food thermometer. I have selected new fixed price and best of accepted. The reason why I selected these 3 things is because we are going to be selling new items. We are only looking at new items, not people looking to sell their used thermometer that they have. So we only want to find that data for new items. The reason why I choose fixed price is because I'm not going to be doing action style listings. I'm only going to be listing items for buy it now. And the reason why I selected best offer accepted is because I'm going to be giving the customers the option to make a best offer on all my listings. And you need to know something before I show you the sell-through rate for this product. This product has a low sell-through rate, so you need to scroll through to see the sell-through rate. It's only got a 2% sell-through rate, and like I said, it has low sell-through rate. What that means that you have got a 2% chance of selling this product. So if you want to list this product, it will be hard for you to sell, but you need to try. And if you success with this one, you will make a lot of money. And I have seen people have success with lower sell rates like this one, and you can still sell, but just bear in mind that it does have a 2% sell-through rate. As you can see here, this seller has made over $8,000, and this one here, he made over $4,000. So you need to give a shot. Anything that I want you to look at here is this section, total item sales. This number here represents the total amount of revenue. It basically shows you how much money has been generated amongst every single seller that is selling this product that was generated by every single seller on eBay that has this keyword in their product. $70,000 in basically the market for this product. It's the highest months ever, but it basically gives you an indication of how big the market. So now what you need to do, we need to go over to Alibaba to see if the product is available for us to import. Let's go over to alibaba.com. So I have just jumped over to alibaba.com. Now what you need to do, you need to know here that you should always look for a supplier that's been on Alibaba for more than 4 years. So I would advise you to go to this supplier like this one here if you do decide on selling this product.